So guys, now we write the reference list in APA style. First we look in the index in a previous video. Now we look reference list. How to write the reference list in APA style. In a reference list, we look second name of author, then comma, then first name, first alphabet. First name, first alphabet of a author. Similarly, if author are two or more, then we write similar as it is way. So we write the reference list of this research paper. These are the authors of this research paper. These are the author of this research paper. So first of all, we write memorian, then comma, then M, just first alphabet M capital, then dot, आगे फिर last name Shivan, comma K, Shivan, comma K, then last name, comma first name. After author names, then we write the publication year. Publication year at the top. This is 2016. 2016. After writing the publication year, then we write the research paper title. This is a title. This is a title. After writing the title, then we write the journal of a research paper. This is a journal of a research paper. Next, after the journal, we write the publishing number and page number if it have. We take example of this reference list. I take another research paper. This is just one author name. This is just one author name. So how we write? First of all, we write second author name. First of all, we write second name of author, which is Abdul Jawad. Next, comma, first name, first alphabet, T is capital. After written it, full stop, then publishing year, then publishing year. This is a name. I write second name, then first name, alphabet, first alphabet. After this, I write publishing year. This 2015. After written it, I write the title of research paper. What is the title of research paper? This is the title of a research paper on the comfortable frictional calculus. On the comfortable frictional calculus. ये on comfort frictional calculus. So we write the title of research paper. Next, comma, then we write journal of research paper. What is the journal of research paper? This is a journal of research paper. Journal of computational and allied mathematics. We write journal of computational and applied mathematics. So after the journal of research paper, then we write the publisher number of a research paper. Publisher number is written at the top. Written at the top. 279 is a publishing number. Then we write 279. After this, we write pages of a research paper. This is the pages of a research paper, 57 to 66 at these pages. Here we can't write the publication year. We write the publication year at the top with author name, so we write it. This is a reference list of a research paper in APA style.